After a horrible shipwreck in the Mediterranean, King Alonso and his fellow nobles get separated from Prince Ferdinand of Naples on an uninhabited island that former Duke of Milan, Prospero, and his young, beautiful daughter, Miranda, have been living on for the past 12 years. As Prospero's slave, that happens to be a spirit named Ariel, plays music, he guides Ferdinand to the young daughter of Prospero, Miranda. The two fall in love at first sight, as Prospero had previously planned. Though he was excited, he decided to test their love by ordering Ferdinand to do slave work well below the duties of a prince. As this scene begins, Prospero watches the two lovers, and never once does Ferdinand complain because he is so mesmerized by Miranda. By the end, Prospero is convinced of the true love between Miranda and Ferdinand.